Joe Beermaster. We have 2012 Chevy Impala, same for the Malibu, I believe. So this would be 6 to 13. I'm going to show you how to get the battery out to change it. First thing you want to do is open the hood. I'm not going to actually do it, but I'm going to explain to you how to do it. Make it simple. There's a bolt missing here, but there's two 13s there and a 13 millimeter there. You take that bar off, and then the battery's underneath the bar. So to get it out, you're going to have to remove this fuse box. There's two 11 millimeters over here. You take that out, and you get somebody to hold the fuse box back. And then you take two 10 millimeters to disconnect the positive and the negative. And then you have to tilt the battery towards the back, sort of tilt it this way, up and out. There's also a tie down way down there. It's a 13 millimeter. Your battery may be connected to that or not. You'll need an extension to get that out. Then you get the battery out and you put it back the same way. That's the easiest way to explain it without actually doing it. I actually filmed doing it, but it did not stay on the camera for some reason or another. So there you go. At least we got that out there, and that should help. Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos.